Hi there, everybody. Good evening. Spirit wants us to know, our archangels want us to know they're with us all the time. And they want us to listen to our intuition for accurate guidance. They want us to use self control and patience and use the forgiving, healing energy that is available to you. They say, whatever you ask him, you will know the answer in the morning. And they say, take control of your own life. Your loved ones and your angels in heaven want you to know they are with you 24/7. You are finding joy through spiritual growth. They say that you must break free from procrastination and embrace the opportunities that change brings. Our number card this evening is 555, and that is change. I then ask for a card on that 555, and it's change. We're moving into good fortune, the four-leaf clover. That's wonderful. We're going to have reasons to celebrate. Trust that we are being divinely guided by our archangels. And surround yourself with wise people that can help you through this time. Just be yourself, and your loved ones want you to balance work, rest, and play. They say when the time is right, you will know the answers, and there is successful outcomes to our problems. Have a lovely evening. Sleep well. Check you in the morning.